5301 White Coyote. Need to get a landscape cleanup. Laminates, a little on the cheaper side. If you can see, looks like a little bit of the edges are coming up. We have tile and brick around the fireplace. We do have the correct 2.5 inch faux wood blinds, but some of them are sagging a bit. Upgraded light fixture is probably almost definitely a total repaint, which is fine. Probably a new fridge, something a little larger, maybe a new range as well. Okay. We need to change back over to this laminate. So right here you can see two different types of tile and some laminate. Okay. Oh, sorry. And we have a 3-prong. We have vinyl flooring in here. I think there's a little bit of a smell, but I can't quite tell. So with a repaint and a carpet cleaning, there may not be a smell. Vinyl, so just pull this up and replace it at about $5 a square foot. And if you have to put some hardy backer type of thing underneath it, that would be just over an additional $1 a square foot. Need a shower rod. Maybe replace that shower head. And whatever's going on with that, just repaint it. Carpet actually looks pretty good overall.